inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm stuck behind a damn tractor. Ah well. I'm on my way to the Breighton Ferry. We're having one of our group camp and paddle meets there. Got a nice little trip planned tomorrow from Wheldrakings back down to the Breighton Ferry. And if you've seen the recent recce video that I did from the Wheldrakings on the River Derwent, that's part of the trip tomorrow. I just wanted to recce that first bit in that video so that I knew what to expect. Right, let's make our way over and get to the Breighton Ferry. If we can get past this damn tractor. Well, at least I'm a bit closer to it. Yay, finally made it past. Open road, here we go. Noted.
You alright, mate?
I'm alright, yeah, you. Right, storage tent is set up. I've set up a couple of bags and boats for tomorrow. So I've got Linda in there with all the stuff that I think I'm going to need. In that bag there, there's the No Nomad, and oldest friend is going to be using that. Got a few people here already. We've not really started on the beer. That last bit might have been a lie.
The first 2 days.
Nun's Chuff has got his ballroom tent with him. Here's the machine's van. Marion's got his little car here. He's setting up a tent and a gazebo. Those are some friends that we've made who are paddleboard douchebags. Frank's got himself a new van. It's one of those Peugeot partners. He's got a bed in it and everything. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick skeg. Look at that. It's alright, isn't it? And basically we're now just waiting for the rest of the rest of the reprobates to rock up. So just about everybody's here now. We're having a bit of a gathering, a few drinks, talking bull, you know, that kind of standard stuff. I think there's still another one person to come. Yeah, just having fun. Right, we've had a bit of a night, sat around a non-existent fire. We haven't had any fires or anything out with us tonight because everything's tinder dry at the moment, and there's been a few local fires on farmland in the area, so we said no, we're not doing fires here, so we haven't. So we've settled down, we've got a plan for tomorrow. See you in the morning. Morning.
Me and my 2 subscribers.
They're buggering about in the back. I think we've just got Steve and Alan to get in. So here we are, all on Wheldrakings, launched from Wheldrakings. We've all managed the kind of sketchy launch, and now we go into the wilds. Into the wilds. Look at that, all of us out together. 13.
Oh yeah. You got a nice on that. He's got the same height as you. He's got lots of height.
Straight over the trees. Traffic jam. This is where there's one of the trees down, you got to shuffle your way across. Purposefully didn't cut this away when me and Steve came, because we wanted to keep the adventure going. You'll get across. Go on, Jim. Jim's got a bike on the front of his boat, so he's making it a bit harder for himself. So's Ma. That's actually worked.
You got through it.
No, yeah, no, but Raf, you know what we're talking about, moving my weight forward. Yeah. Worked.
Is that where we're going? Where you're going now?
Alright. Very exploratory ride, this one. Especially for this first bit, first mile or so, a couple of miles.
Just a nice temperature when it's not too hot.
Lovely.
You couldn't have anything better, could you, really? Is that a Gummatex what you're in?
No, no. Chinese special.
Is it kind of a packraft from a kayak?
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah, right.
Looks like we've reached another sticking point. This looks great with everybody kind of like in a train going down. Oh, he's having his mad, he's got the zoomies, Raf's got the zoomies. All those roots. Told you they'd like it, Steve. Action shots.
Maybe that 80 quid difference between long and short. Oh, you got that, ask, they were cheap, weren't they? They were going to buy one, but before they did, you had to go with France and it wasn't for me.
Boink.
Oh, what builder? Log builder. Oh, right.
You really can't beat this little trek for a adventure kind of ride.
It's weird, you don't realise.
How many days from start to finish?
If I'm not mistaken, up on that bank there's a lot of... Is that Himalayan balsam?
Yeah.
I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah. You can't go much further up, can they?
I don't know how far up you can go. I love this bit. It's like, where's all this come from? Hey, look, that tree's moved. Hang on, back, whoa! Here's Glenn using all available resources to get through. Fascinating, isn't it, Jim? I thought you'd like this bit. It's just such an unusual find, this, when you come through those trees.
I've not seen a frog in the lily pad yet.
Yeah, got to admit, I do love that willow tree. That's a beauty. So just pulling out of all that overhang, we're now in the area with the junction for Pocklington Canal.
Is that another river?
Pocklington Canal. Yeah, just there, that's the confluence. I've not been up that way.
I'm just wondering, is Jim, because Jim's not with us at the moment.
What did you buy?
He's bugging off somewhere.
Oh, so you might have gone up for a look.
Very good.
Beer o'clock. Beer o'clock. We've got the bloody worst day of this heat wave, haven't we, today?
Yeah, fucking freezing.
Got the worst day of this heat wave. Got the wind behind us at the moment, which is nice. Problem with this river is it wends and winds a little bit. So sometimes you go around a bend and it's in your face, then you go around another bend and it's behind you again. Bunch of grown men, behaving like kids on the water, drinking beer. I mean, hell's teeth, where the hell would you rather be? Right, bit of a raft race.
What's the finish point? Those hay bales. Wait.
Wait till Frank's in.
Go, Frank.
Oh, that's enough. Jesus. That was daft fun.
Good fun.
Oh. We're a bunch of idiots. Got a bit of rain coming across here. Done about 5 miles so far. We're not far from Budworth. I think about another mile or so, and then another mile and a half back to camp. Been quite enjoyable having the wind behind us most of the way. Ah, oh, blissful. Wind's picked up a bit. Gone lazy. I'm getting out of here for a wee. Do you want it shunting up?
I'll be alright, thank you. Thank you.
Look at that, styled it out like a pro.
I do like this.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they? Yeah, I like it. I think the Rodeo's a great boat. We found a roaming ruffler. He's rogue, a rogue ruffler. Have you got your feet stuck in the cow shit? So I don't know if I've mentioned this, but so the thing we've done today is got a taxi from the Breighton Ferry up to Weldray Kings, and then we're paddling back to the Breighton Ferry. It just meant we could have a few little beers on the water and that kind of thing, and just take a leisurely paddle back, which is what we've done. You can hear the church at Bubwith, which is just behind those trees here on the left. Yeah, it's a lovely little waterside area, this. Hello. Horrible area, isn't it? Horrible. Just coming up, here's what's left of a bridge that was part of the Derwent Valley rail line. Quite a lot of arches on this bridge, can't really see them. There's the other side. It's been a big beast. Hello. It's just started raining a bit. Is it on batteries, that one? It's really quiet. How do you? Alright. Breighton Ferry is just coming into view, nearly back at base. It's been a nice little outing today, made better by the fact that the wind has been behind us most of the trip. We've got back, all just sort of like lounging around and chilling out. There's somebody doing some stunts in a plane up there. I'm just doing some dog food and noodles. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Obviously we might differ on what the word beautiful means. Oh, I'm shattered. I've come to crash out for a bit. Yeah, been a long day. I've not been feeling that great today. You might have noticed that by the tone of the video, to be honest. I thought about it as we were going down. I thought, you know, I'm not feeling my normal chatty self. So yeah, so I've come to chill out in the van for a bit. Everybody's packing up. We're going to head over to Wetherspoons in Goole, get something to eat. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheerio.